Welcome to my channel Salo. Today I want add domain controller to Windows Server 2012 R2. So just click on the virtual box and start here. And after this is start, and we have to do the input to auto delete and then put the password on it. So already password 1. And after we have to wait for server manager to start so we can add the roles. Then we have to change the name to server and make the computer name, so we can add the computer name to the after this role is start here. Just click on the local server and say computer name, so just click on that and we have to change the name, so just change here and put the PC1. okay, and it asks for the restart, so just okay for changes. So restart now. After start, so we can go to the input, so we have to go back here, input keyboard, so password 1. I just changed the name and change the password, so after shows the screen back and it shows server manager here. So first we have to check the network connection because we want to change static IP, so server not change the automatically IP. So just we can right click here and just go to network connection and make sure the IP is the static. So we goes property here, and after property IPv4, and see here I changed the address to 192.168.2.100. so this is a permanent address for the server and is our default gateway, and just click OK. And after close this one, it's getting the signal, so just right here close this one and we open the server manager again, and then after we start the add role and features, so this will to the goes here, so just click here configure roles and features and just click next, and it's asked for the server pool, so it's 192.168.2.100 is the server, so click on that, and it's add to the Active Directory domain services, click here, add features, click next, group policy management, next, and install, and it's take few times, and after is installed Active Directory, so then You can see the features. And after this install, after we have to configure the as a domain controller this server. So it's just wait for few minutes, so it should be done soon. And then it's complete, it's close. And after it shows little icon to promote this PC suppose deployed, and say promote this server as a domain controller. So just click and it's say add a domain controller for this one. So add a domain controller to existing domain, add a new domain to existing forest, add a new forest. So here, so after we have to add a new forest, and the root domain name is like salo.local. Click next, and it's checking is like the name, and it's say okay. It's R2 because the forest function level is R2, and it's a forest function level is R2. And here is the we can put the password, so I can put password and just click next. So just click next on this too. Say next, and it's verifying the BIOS name and assigned to the domain. As Silo, he found it, the name is okay. Just click next. Click next. And just verify the script. Next. So it take few time to the verification for the PC one, because we're making the Windows Server 2012 on this one. So is everything look okay? Just install. And Windows Active Directory installed to the server and is restarting for first time. So we have to log into domain using the password and the name. So, and it's applying to the group policy and services for making the server for first time to run. And this is pretty simple installation for Windows Server 2012 to make a domain controller after we run the services. So after restart, so we have to log into the system. So click input here, and you can see your solo/administrator here. So I have to log into the server, so I have to put the server password in first. So 2, so this should be login. Password 2 is going over. It's right here. So it's applying the role to log into the server first time. And here we have to server manager. This window pop up and we can close to when it's open, or you can open from here. Click here to server manager, start from here. So anytime you can close is pop up start up. If you don't want, just say you don't need it. So how you install the Windows Server 2012 admin domain controller on the server, and after we have to check the services what we have it here. So here is the local server and you can hide here. And it's still loading. So you can see here is the PC1 and is a domain controller solo.local. This is the server, and here we can add user Active Directory. You can see, click on the left side, so you can see Active Directory installed, DNS server is installed also, and there is a file and storage. You can have the extra like storage you can install, and you can come back here to close this and just click on here. So here is the administrative tool, just click on that, and here you can see everything, Active Directory, and here is the site and services, and here is the user and computer. So just click on that, and here is the user right now, say local, and this is the controller, and just here you can see there is no computer yet, but we can add computer in future video. And here is the user, so you can see here this is the administrator, we can change to any, is a guest, and we can add any user if I want to. So just click on next, say new, and here is you have the contract, and you can use as a adder user here, so you can add user to and it work as a client here. So this we can do later. So this is all the services you can see after I make the domain controller to this PC. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you to watch my channel, Salwaktan.